The Power of Intention by Wayne Dyer explores the transformative potential of intention in shaping our lives. Dr. Dyer argues that intention is not just a personal will or desire, but a universal force that connects us all. By aligning our thoughts and actions with the power of intention, we can create the life we desire, build lasting success, and experience inner peace. The book offers practical tools and insights for shifting our mindset, overcoming obstacles, and tapping into the limitless potential that comes from living with intention. Hello, friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a powerful and life changing book, The Power of Intention by Wayne Dyer. This book is all about discovering the incredible force that lies within each of us, that is, intention. Dr. Dyer shows us how intention is not just a personal goal or a desire, but a universal energy that can guide us toward a fulfilling, peaceful, and abundant life. Are you ready to tap into the limitless power of intention and transform your life? Let's dive into the key insights from this inspiring book. In lesson 1, Dr. Wayne Dyer begins by revealing a profound truth. Intention is not something we simply create on our own. It is a universal force that is already available to us. Think of intention as a powerful energy that connects everything in the universe. By aligning our thoughts and actions with this universal force, we can manifest our desires and goals. The beauty of intention is that it is not limited by circumstances. It transcends it transcends the physical world and taps into the spiritual realm, allowing to co-create with the universe. Key takeaway: intention is not about pushing for what we want, but about aligning with the flow of the universe to effortlessly bring our desires into reality. One of the core messages of the power of intention is that our thoughts and actions must align with the energy of intention. Dr. Dyer emphasizes that our thoughts have a powerful influence on the world around us. And by changing our mindset, we can shift the energy we attract into our lives. For example, when we focus on positive thoughts, gratitude, and love, we attract more of these positive energies into our lives. By changing our mindset to one of the abundance, we naturally begin to act in ways that reflect this shift, whether it is in our relationships, career, or personal growth. The solution: become aware of your thoughts, let go of negativity, and choose to focus on what you want to create rather than what you fear or lack. Dr. Dyer also discusses one of the biggest blocks to accessing the power of intention: resistance, in lesson 3. That is, letting go of resistance. Resistance comes from our fears, doubts, and past experiences, which hold us back from fully trusting in the universal flow of intention. To break through this resistance, Dr. Dyer encourages us to release control, surrender to the process, and trust that the universe is working on our behalf. This does not mean being passive. It means actively letting go of the needs to force things to happen. And instead, allowing space for things to unfold naturally. The takeaway here is simple: let go of the struggle, trust in the process, and know that when you align your with intention, things will fall into place. In the lesson 4, Gratitude is a central theme in Dr. Dyer's approach to intention. He believes that gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions we can cultivate it. It instantly connects us to the energy of intention. When we express gratitude for what we have, we open the door for even more abundance to flow into our lives. Positive thinking is not just about thinking happy thoughts. It is about focusing on the good in every situation and finding joy in the present moment. This mindset shifts your energy and brings you into alignment with the universal force of intention. Another important lesson from the power of intention is the idea of living with a purpose and vision. Other urges us to focus on deepest desires and align with them with our purpose in life. When we are clear about our intentions and have a strong sense of purpose, the universe supports us in manifesting our goals. Living with the purpose means knowing who you are, what you want, and why it matters. It is about being intentional with every action, every thought, and every decisions you make, and aligning them with your true desires. The big idea, when you live with intention and purpose, you step into a higher state of alignment with the universe and everything you desire designs to manifest effortlessly. Finally, Dr. Dyer emphasizes the importance of faith and belief in the power of intention. When we have unwavering faith in ourselves and in the universe's ability to bring our desires to fruition, we activate the full power of intention. Faith is the fuel that propels us forward, even in the face of challenges. When you trust in the process and believes that everything is unfolding for our highest good, we align ourselves with the flow of intention and open the door to limitless possibilities. So, to wrap it wrap it all up, the power of intention teaches us that intention is a universal force that can guide our lives. The second, align your thoughts and actions with the energy of intention to manifest your desires. Third, release resistance and trust in the universe's timing. The fourth, cultivate gratitude and positive thinking to attract abundance. The fifth, live with purpose, clarity, and vision. The last, have faith and belief in the process and your own potential. So, are you ready to tap into the power of intention and transform your life? Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs this powerful message. Tell me in the comments what are your intentions for the future and how will you align with them. Let's discuss and support each other in this journey of intentional living. Until next time, remember you have the power to create the life of you desire with the intention.